Bishop Auckland is 19 kilometres south of Durham and the same northwest from Darlington in County Durham. It lies along the Roman Deer Street to the nearby Binchester Fort, known as Vinovia to the Romans. The railways opened up the local coal trade with several mines around the location. This declined during the 20th century, with manufacturing and tourism taking over. Bishop Auckland has a long association with the Bishops of Durham. The northern part of the town is the Bishop's Palace and the castle grounds. The River Wear is a natural boundary. The town hall became abandoned in the 1980s. Authorities scheduled it for demolition. This Gothic Victorian chateau-style building is now fully restored and a Grade 2 listed. It contains a library, a theatre, an art gallery, the Tourist Information Centre and a cafe bar. The 2020 Auckland Tower resembles, some say, a beard trimmer. Others see a pit-head winding pylon. It looks like a siege engine to me. It's the work of Niall McLaughlin Architects. Inside you will find the information you need to explore the castle, grounds and the local area. This imposing Victorian building is the Grade 2 listed former Beale's department store. It closed in 2016. The council has approved plans for a hotel and flats, but work has yet to start. Here, at the foot of Princess Street, the Eden Theatre once stood. The theatre was at the northern edge of Princess Street, where the traffic island is now. Arthur Jefferson, father of Stan Laurel, ran the theatre. Stan was one half of the popular comedy duo Laurel and Hardy. The Eden family, which included future Prime Minister Anthony, lent its name to the place. It closed in 1963 and authorities demolished it for a road widening in 1974. In the marketplace, a Wetherspoons pub bears Laurel's real name, Stanley Jefferson. What turned heads today was the sight of old buses giving rides to local destinations. The Classic Vehicle Preservation Group organised the event, with owners bringing their buses. Here is a Bristol VR, owned and driven by Lee Garrett. There you go, favourite lass. What's your name? Lee. Lee. This Lochley's bus is from East Kent, but spent most of its life in Bishop. Lochley's was a local service to Evenwood.
Well, everything when we went to school at East Kent.
Weardale Motor Services single-decker made an appearance, heading for Stanhope and Crook. Today it is in the care of Paul Cassidy. Timothy Phillips from Cambridge restored this bus. It was new to OK Motor Services, Bishop Auckland. It was one of a 6-strong batch of grant specification vehicles.
Ian, are you getting on that number 5?
So we say a fond farewell to that patchy sadness that is Bishop Auckland. With a flutter in our hearts and a spring in our step, we return to more salubrious surroundings.
Watch some more from Radio Jonaphone. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy.